Hi, this is Joe with the iPod Repair Clinic. A lot of my clients have been asking me about minis. Minis, I believe, were probably one of the most rugged designed iPods out there. Very small, very rugged. You can take this thing and knock it around. The problem was it had a hard drive in it. But what I did was I resolved this problem by putting in what's called a flash drive. Now, this is one of my flash drive units. The way you know that is that originally it was only 4 gigabytes. This guy has 30 gigabytes in it. So it has a 32 gigabyte CF compact flash card. And that's one that I've done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this thing apart because I've got to know which CF card manufacturer is the one that I've got to order additional cards for, because I have not done this in a very, very long time. So I'm going to start with just closing the iPod. First thing you want to do is just remove the top and the bottom. And it's been opened before, so it's really opening a lot easier than most. It's got adhesive. What you're going to want to do is just kind of help the spring, that's spring loaded. As you can see, I'll pick that up in a moment. My videographer will do that. This has a couple of screws in it. You want to take that off. Okay, once you do that, got to be very, very gentle with this Molex connector here. What you're gonna do is go back and forth with a screwdriver, not too hard. Just go back and forth, very gentle. Just ease off, because that's the connector for your click wheel. All right, then you're gonna just push it with your finger. And now I see what I used. Unfortunately, they don't make this flash card anymore. So I am going to have some problems. But there it is. There's the battery. There's the flash drive. That's the chassis. That goes in the chassis. But it was a really nice design. I use these little adhesive pads to just take up the slack so it doesn't vibrate inside. But I won't be able to use this one because I won't be able to find something like this. They don't make this anymore, but it's really fast, 233X. That's really fast. All right, I'm gonna put this back together again. It's just as easy as when I took it apart. Just slide it back down. Make sure it goes down. Make sure that it doesn't get hung up on the make sure that the wires don't get pinched. Go back and maybe just push in the wire a little bit. And that's it, basically. Put the connector back. Just push it in straight, and you see it goes on and off. Just shut it off, because I don't like to work with the power on. All right, that's it. And then we'll just put in the screws. Be very gentle with these screws. They do get messed up if you're a little too brutal with them. They'll get stripped. That was a little tough. And you put this guy back here. Make sure it goes on nice and straight. You want to put the adhesive facing out. It is kind of spring loaded, so you're going to have to just help it a little bit. There you go. Kind of center it right there and find where it goes. You may want to use a little heat, but that's basically it. That's how you assemble an iPod mini.